Hi, my name is Nicolas de Proimo. I'm from Eastern Samar City University. I'm currently taking as a Bachelor of Science Information Technology. And the time that I ran there is 500 hours, and I was assigned as a sub leader of an IT assets and IT support department. My main responsibilities in this team was to maintain the system and inventory of all materials and product of GPMC. And for IT support, I need to troubleshoot all possible problems like Wi-Fi, PC, computer, and printer. The skills and new knowledge that I learned as an IT assess is that I help my leader to fix our system and also gain knowledge in coding, which is the Python, because that's what we use. And also with an IT support, I also learned to resolve technical issues such as computer, internet, printer, and etc. My most challenging experience was about coding because I had a hard time with it. And also, I do multitasking because as an IT support, I always help like troubleshooting and anything. Malaki ang naitulong ng OJT ko sa pag-grow ko as a professionally dahil dito marami akong natutunan at magagamit ko to in the near future pag ako'y nakapag-apply sa trabaho. Sa kabuuan, ang OJT na ito ang naging tulay ko mula sa pagiging estudyante papunta sa pagiging profesional. Dito ko naranasan kung paano talaga gumalaw ang isang real world work kasi may pressure, may unexpected problem, at may teamwork na hindi lang pang groupings kundi totoong collaboration. And ma-recommend ko to para sa gustong maghanap ng OJT dito sa GPMC dahil dito marami kang matututunan at matutulungan ka din nila para ma-improve ang iyong kakayanan. So, para sa company which is the GPMC is maraming salamat po, and once again, my name is Nicolas de Proimo from IT Assets and IT Support Department from Batch 5.